Ramen attempting. Maybe they're not answering because, like, the...
I don't know, I'm just wondering. Maybe we should have
Ramen, do the jumping thing again.
I have to come in from the back.
Okay, go. 1, 2.
It's not working. My vehicle's not big enough.
Apparently.
I think I'm just gonna
And you need a taco really badly. Is the person playing the music for us?
Maybe. We still have to show it to people tomorrow. It's been like that.
Definitely. Okay, hurry up though. Let's see what's on the menu, by the way. Hey, they don't have any of the, maybe there's a sensor on the ground. Like, maybe you have to, like, run it over or something. I don't know. Or maybe there is, like, a... Ramen jumped in front of it, like, a bajillion times. Not working. Do you know how retarded you look?
Shut up! I look retarded as far as... Hi, can I get 2 tacos? 2 tacos.
Stand your...
Yeah, 2 tacos, that's it.
It's working. Our little retarded plan is working.
I'm so proud. I told you to step on the box. Now you have to stay in line.
Yeah, stay in line, Ramen. You have to stand your ground, because if the car comes up, they're going to get the tacos to them. Your total is 1-8. Ramen behind a car.
I'll stay away, okay? I'll get the far view.
Okay, I'll get the close-up.
$2! No, I want a close-up!
I got the close-up one!
I want one.
Oh, Ramen, you can get my copy. Ramen is so freaking unreasonable sometimes. It's sad.
Maybe you just have to step on the box a little harder. Next time we know.
Maybe,
right?
oh my god, maybe that is a sensor.
No wonder the box spit out. How come we didn't see that in the beginning?
Because you know, we're just not...
Because you're lucky you're the last one.
Because you guys aren't that bright. I was the one who suggested that the sensor was somewhere in the
Hey, I want free water.
Oh yeah,
Okay.
no wait.
Can I get a cup of water, please? Thank you.
We're thirsty. We've been like waiting out here for like how long?
Come in with me if you guys want extra. Wait, who was the one that wants the water? You do?
Nah, I don't mind.
Yeah, I just asked for one water. I have water in my house.
You look retarded.
You guys have to catch the guy's face. Okay.
I'm doing a close-up on Ramen.
I can zoom with your camera, so I'll just try
I
to
can
get as
zoom.
close as I can.
Actually, I think you can zoom. You just
I
gotta.
can't. No, she
Oh my god, look at those mini Buffalo Ranch chicken. That actually looks pretty good.
Are you actually? I'm gonna have to wait. Shit. I made an order.
She made an order. She's sticking to it. Oh my god, look at the intersection. We could totally walk out in the middle of it and we wouldn't get run over right away.
Wait, the intersection is hardly ever that
Look at, there's no one there. Is this like it was in the morning when me and my mom drove to the mall? There was like no one there. Well, yeah, one car. Wow. God, how long? No, he's getting out.
Maybe it was that guy, the employer.
Maybe you can go up to the thing and talk. You just have to stamp on the thing. What would be it if you like call the cops, like, sorry, this person is trying to go through the drive-thru on a broken scooter. Please arrest them.
I don't think that's illegal.
That isn't illegal. Yeah, I mean, we're hungry. Dude, by the way, you should have said no lettuce on the tacos, because I kind of want to eat one. Take out the taco.
Or I can eat it for you.
Yeah. Fine, I'll give you guys the tacos. I'll just save the ice cream for myself. I think we have an ice cream sandwich left at my house. So people of YouTube, this is what happens when you hang out with me and my friends. We like do random shit. Dude, why don't you put your hood up? Look all like ghetto. An orange ass ghetto girl.
Whatever.
Yeah.
They're not like some private SBIs or something, right? Oh my god, there's a spider.
Only ramen would notice that. Well, she's waiting for her taco. Apparently you can walk up to the thing and get it picked up for you. 'Cause that chick's doing that right now.
Don't worry, they're not getting right here.
Oh my god, they're going up my hill. Oh no, wait, they're not.
No, they're not.
No, they're not. Okay, good. Because we have to walk it up.
Oh, this takes forever. What is the lady waiting for? Did she laugh?
Okay, Robin, you're up. Apparently our orders are coexisting. Run. Oh.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah. We're like so freaking retarded right now. So Norma, how do you feel right now?
Did you see the guy's face? He was cracking up.
Alright, we have to wait for ramen though.